Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing for sale. 18 hectares at 350 pesos per square meter along Barangay Road near highway located in Barangay Kalangaman, Ubay, Bohol. It's a northern part of Bohol province which is around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. You know, Ubay is one of the best progressive town in Bohol. So, first class municipality and big land area. I heard it was around 45 barangays. So, dako ni nga land area sa Bohol, guys, which has so many barangays involved. So, mana ang Ubay. So, it's a big flat land in Ubay. Mostly are irrigated lands. So, nindot. So, this is ideal for subdivision or residential development, farming, and many more. So, I repeat, it's 18 hectares at 350 pesos per square meter. It's a titled property. Titulado siya. So, nindot-nindot ang property, guys, which is ideal also for parking kay from here is around 2 kilometers away from the Ubay bus terminal. So, kana paingon dito. So, dool-dool na lang, no? So, you know, there are some future development in Ubay pod, guys. Kanang na may giingon lang buhaton og murag kanang na mag-airport ang Ubay, guys. Nya mo ni siya possible nga usanis makataas ng presyo pohon-pohon kay murag ilang i-operate ang airport diha. Dugay na nga airport pero murag tugpahan og mga dili dagko kayo nga eroplano basta mo travel og northern part. So pabor man diri sa Ubay, guys, kay kumadto kag Anda, Bohol naman diha mga white sand beaches, mga resorts pod nindot diha sa Anda. Yeah, Ubay is just around 30 to 40 minutes drive ra gyud. So mao na siya, guys. Then napoy future development pod sa Ubay, sige pa sila on process pa sila kanang gitawag solar farm. So solar farm. So dako kay na nga development pod pohon kung madayon. Wa pa siguro ha. Kay sige pa sila og kasikas diha. So di pa klaro. Pero at least no naana. For inquiries, just contact me. So 18 hectares at 350 pesos per square meter. Thank you.